here's the app called Clapper Video Live Chat. So let's just take a look at it. I will try to explain a lot of features in this app. This app is seen as one of top competitors for TikTok because, as I understand, this is American company. It's not gonna be banned soon. So this is the app, and yeah, it's kind of combination of videos, memes, live streams, similar to TikTok. It just says free to use, no ads, no BS, just real lives. Be heard, be seen, be valued. What can you expect? You can post video. Short video is a foundation of Clapper. You can do it live. Apart from the solo live option, do it live feature allows you to bring your follower on live and interact real time. Radio, so you can just go audio only. Group, create a community of your super fans. Clapper fam, so you can grow your community, and then you just have it there. So then you can just open it up, and then yeah, here's how you have the idea of it. So you have like a stream of videos, you have creators which you can follow, you have in top, you have different tabs following for you. In the top left you also have live feed if you want to just follow live streams. Then you can just chat, like, share it, and very similar layout to TikTok. And then you have like your discovery feed where you can just go and discover all types of memes and videos. You can also in the top you can filter like through lives and then through shops, radios. So like through lives you can just here and go find out some live videos there. So that's where it is. That's how you can find it out. There are not that many users here, but yeah, pretty like the viewership is growing. They have now some nice promotions. Then you have your messages section. So you can DM, you can create a group, private messages, group messages. So all kinds of features. This app is quite advanced, I must say. So it's not as advanced as TikTok, but it offers quite a lot of features. So it's not just videos here. And then yeah, you just have your account. And later I will show you how you can go live or how you can create your radio, whatever. So here is the account, and then yeah, you can just go and here's your profile, your username. So then there are some badges. You can add then your links. So you can just add some links to your profile, change your profile picture, settings. So here are some Clapper coins. This is how you can buy Clapper coins here. Oopsie. So as you can see, this app has a lot of users, and right now it's even a bit glitchy, to be honest. So like here you can just go and buy like Clapper coins or whatever. So then you can just go and manage your account. If you wanna, you can delete your account, and privacy, a lot of privacy settings here, language, clear cache, and then there is also the button like creator space where you can manage your monetization. So for example, you can use my link clapper.vip/Andrei, and via this link I will get some nice things, and I guess you will create some nice things. So here, yeah, you can just try to use my link clapper.vip/Andrei when you try to create an account. And yeah, when you created your account, then this way you can just go and refer friends with it. And then when you're a creator, you will see your top gifters. So the way it works, people who watch your live streams or videos can gift you with diamonds. And then these people buy these diamonds for coins. So if you're a creator, you earn your monetization on this app with diamonds. But then if you wanna gift some creators, you buy these diamonds with coins, and then eventually you can withdraw diamonds as a creator. Then if you wanna monetize, you can create your groups. So you can create your community. My fam, you can create like different tier, kind of like subscription tiers, kind of similar as on YouTube. So, on YouTube, you see this black join button. By the way, feel free to join my YouTube channel to support my work. I describe a lot of different apps. So feel free just to support my channel just by tapping this join button in the bottom of my video. So yeah, here you just have it. And then there is like a referral program. And then there is my shop where you can just basically sell some of your stuff. I don't know exactly where like you can connect like Teespring here or whatever similar as on YouTube, but this is a start. And then they also have verification. Oopsie. So basically, yeah, as you can see, I'm just showing as it is that this app in the peak times right now is a bit glitchy. It's when it's going viral. So that's just where you have it. And yeah, so that's just where it is. And then let's just show you how you can go live. So if you tap this orange button in the bottom, you can create your own radio. And then you can, what's the topic? Like you just create your topic and then you go and start radio. So basically how you can start it. Then you can also go and upload a video. So that's how you upload a video. So then you can just add some videos, and then also you can just go live here. So so that's just basically how it goes. But as you can, yeah, like as you can see, this app during peak times in US, it's not working that well. But anyhow, it's a good start. I hope they will improve their servers, and so then you can just see here, maybe has a potential to be the next TikTok. So some people are recommending it. Some people are not that happy. Some people are not happy with the warnings, and it seems there is a bit of a lot of moderation on this app. So some people already switching from TikTok to here. So anyhow, that's just what it is. So yeah, just go and try it out. Yeah, again, if you wanted to support my work, please click that join button, subscribe and join if you wanna. Just like I have a small membership which helps me to support my YouTube channel. So thank you again for watching.